Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our the newest products on my right hand. This is Undercounter stylings, refrigerators. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire length, about like a 72.5 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like a 31.5 inches deep. Include the wheels of the height about like a 36 inches tall. As we can see, the units coming with made by all stainless steels on the body surface. Also the doors, they have 3 swing doors at the front. When we pull it up, we can see they have shelvings inside. They do having the shelving on each of the door side. We can see inner side right here. And let me give you the measurements for the inner side too. For the depth of the unit, it's about like 18 inches. This door access height is about like 22 and 7 and 8 inches. Entirely inner side, the lengths, they are about like 68 inches wide. For each of the door, when they open at 90 degrees, they are about like 24 inches long. And also for the manufacturer, they made it. They have a total of 4 big circulating air fan at the behind. And also the manufacturer, they offer the thermometers for you to inspect the temperatures. For this unit's behind, we have the ETL sanitation stickers right here. And the bottom have the controllers. And also they do having the compressor mount at the bottom too. And the unit's coming with a 110 standard power connections. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.